Hair fall, one of the very commonly asked question in my recent DMs, my Instagram, my YouTube, they keep on asking me. So what is the cause for, what is the reason for hair fall? You know, there are so many central baldness seen, pattern type of baldness seen. There are many reasons for hair fall seen in men, women both, and genetics plays a major role. How can we reverse the hair fall caused due to genetics? And there is something called as minoxidil. Now, what exactly does minoxidil do? How exactly that reverses your hair fall? Is it really helpful? Is it really beneficial? What are the side effects? How much you need to be using minoxidil? What is the exact procedure to go about with certain minoxidil products? Everything will be spoken in detail in this particular video. So make sure you're watching this video to the very end. I'm sure this is going to be really helpful. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Also follow me on Facebook, Insta and Twitter. The link is in the description box. So let's start today's video. That is, how does minoxidil help in reversing the hair fall? Now there are many reasons for hair fall, so I won't be talking everything in detail, but I'll be just picking up 5 to 6 reasons, 5 to 6 causes which causes hair fall, which is the very main culprit for hair fall. Nutrition, stress, sleep, thyroid and PCOD. So these are the very commonly common scenarios where a majority of hair falls are seen, and one major culprit, that is genetic. Now I'll be telling you what exactly you need to be doing in other parts, say other causes like nutrition, sleep, stress, PCOD or thyroid. I'll be telling in the later part of the video. Now in genetics, there is something called as the central or the pattern baldness that is seen. You know, the central area there will be a lot of baldness, and towards the end there will be a lot of thick hair. Now why does this happen? Now your hair, now let's understand how exact the hair gets this nutrition from. It gets the nutrition from the blood supply, the arteries, whatever is present in the scalp. Through that they get the nutrition. It's a, you know, it's a pipe like sort of thing through which the blood flows. So there is something called as DHT. What exactly does the DHT do is it causes vasoconstriction of the arteries. Okay, this thin pipe, what I told you, the blood is flowing through that. What exactly DHT does it compresses that, it vasoconstricts that, so that the blood supply is not happening. So when the blood supply is not happening, the scalp is not getting enough amount of blood, there is no nutrition. So that is the reason why the hair fall is happening. So this is what the DHT does to your scalp. Now what does minoxidil do? Minoxidil causes a vasodilatation of the blood vessels. What DHT causes is a vasoconstriction. So when you're using minoxidil, it dilates the blood vessels so that the smooth passing of the blood is happening and your scalp is getting adequate amount of blood supply. So the nutrition is there and the hair is growing back thick and strong. Now there comes one question, that is, sir, can we use any brand minoxidil? See, minoxidil is minoxidil. So I would recommend something which has shown favorable results with my patients, which I have been recommending as well. That is the Mars by GHC. This contains 5% minoxidil. Okay, this has been showing great, 99% of the times has been showing me great results or great reviews from my patients. So this is one thing that I would recommend. But any brand minoxidil is fair enough, no issues at all. But my option would be Mars by GHC minoxidil 5%. Now the one good thing about the Mars by GHC minoxidil is it is alcohol free. Okay, now this prevents your dandruff. Now you might be having one question that already we have dandruff, so if at all use this product, will the dandruff be controlled? No, it doesn't happen like that. If your scalp is initially dandruff free, it's absolutely having no dandruff, and then you're using this product, from then there won't be issue of dandruff happening to you. But you're already suffering from dandruff, then you need to consult yourself with a dermatologist. But if you have no dandruff initially in your scalp and then you're using this product, this will also control your dandruff in your scalp and enhance the growth of your hair as well. Now comes a very important topic, that is, who should be avoiding the minoxidil product. Not just Mars by GHC or any minoxidil product. Note this very carefully. I'll be mentioning 4 scenarios who should be avoiding this particular minoxidil product. Number 1 being the BP patients. The hypertensive patients should be definitely avoiding the minoxidil product. Under 18 years. No, you cannot use minoxidil at all under 18 years. Breastfeeding mothers, please kindly avoid minoxidil, and the pregnant women. So these are the 4 people who should be avoiding the minoxidil product, not just Mars by GHC or any minoxidil product. Note that these people should be avoiding that. Now in the Mars by GHC, it contains something called as a dropper and a spray applicator. Okay, I'll just show you that. This is the spray applicator, and there's one more something called as the dropper. Now many people tend to get this one question, sir, which is that one thing that you should be going for? Should you be going for the spray applicator or should you be going for the dropper? I'll just show you the product as well. So this is the product. You can just open up the lid and put up the spray and then use it as a spray applicator, or then just choose a dropper few drops. I'll also tell you how much drops to be using, you should be using, and how exactly is the direction of use, everything in the later part. So make sure you have come till here, make sure you're watching it to the entire video as well. So I would suggest that you will be using the dropper. Why? When you're taking it from the product, the drops of minoxidil, you can directly apply it to the scalp, okay? But when you're spraying the minoxidil to your scalp through the spray applicator, what happens is certain amount of minoxidil will be attached towards the tip of your hair, so that it will be leading to wastage of the minoxidil. But through the dropper, you can directly take the solution and put it in the scalp, which is absolutely needed, and then you can absolutely massage your scalp, and which is the right way, which I would prefer. But you can definitely use a spray. If you are comfortable with the spray applicator, you can go with the spray applicator, but I would prefer that you go with the dropper. Now comes a very important topic, that is how exactly you should be using the minoxidil 5%, the Mars by GHC Minoxidil 5%. Very simple. 1 ml in the morning, 1 ml in the night. Directly apply it to the scalp and then massage it. That's pretty much simple, very easy to go. Now many people get also confusion that if at all we use 3 to 4 more drops, more than 1 ml, say 5 ml, let's apply 5 ml, that will be causing increased hair growth. It doesn't happen like that. We'll be just wasting minoxidil. So it's basic instructions, a clear instruction, that is 1 ml in the morning, 1 ml in the night. That's pretty much directly into your scalp and massage it. This is how we are using the Mars by GHC Minoxidil 5%. Let me make one thing very clear, that this Mars by GHC Minoxidil 5%, this is very much important only in the genetic reason for your hair loss. Now there are many other reasons which I mentioned earlier, like the thyroid, PCOD, nutrition, stress or sleep. That cannot be rectified because of this, okay? That is pure lifestyle modifications. Now for example, thyroid, what you can do is go and consult your doctor, get your medicine sorted. That's how you deal the thyroid, the reasons for hair fall due to thyroid, that can be sorted that way. For PCOD, it's just purely lifestyle modification that you need to be doing, okay? You can consult your gynecologist for the same, and they will guide you accordingly. Stress and sleep, again, I always tell in all the videos that is you need at least 5 to 6 hours, or at least 6 to 7 hours of sleep mandatory needed for you to reduce the hair fall. And stress, you can go for meditation, yoga, exercise. These are the things which you can add in your lifestyle and reduce the amount of hair fall that is happening. This product cannot help you in all the other mentioned products, but it can only help you in the genetic part of hair loss. Now people also think that you can use this product to a certain extent, and then you will be having hair grow happening, and can you stop it later on? No, it doesn't happen like that. So once you stop this, what happens is, against the DHT, it causes vasoconstriction, okay? So it's again the same process repeating again. So again there will be central baldness seen, again you need to reuse it. So once you start with this process, it is a lifelong process, okay? You cannot deal anything, you cannot do much about the genetic part. So for genetic, this is absolutely a boon, sort of a boon thing I can tell you, Mars by GHC Minoxidil 5%. So now what happens is, when you start using this product, initially for the 2 weeks there will be increased hair fall happening, okay? So what happens here is, the amount of hair which is already about to shred off in the future, it is getting shred off earlier because of this product. Now why is that happening is, purposefully all that shredded hair is going off, and the new hair follicle will be reborn from that particular site, okay? No need to worry, have some patience. This is a very slow and magical process, okay? It will eventually take you 4 to 6 months for the results to be seen, for that tiny bump of hair to come. It really takes time, 4 to 6 months, but patience is really something that you need to be looking after. So 4 to 6 months, give it some time, and this will be showing you the desired result what you are expecting. Now one thing you need to know, that is Mars by GHC Minoxidil 5%. This product can't be taken just like that from any medicals or any third party. If they are selling it to you, please don't buy it, okay? This can be only bought if at all there is a doctor's prescription. Only a doctor can prescribe you this, okay? You cannot directly randomly go to any medicals and claim this product. It's absolutely not happening that way. So how can you get your hands on this amazing product? Now this app will be providing you your free consultation. You need not pay anything to them. The link is in the description box. Go and hit that link, and then once you hit the link, you'll be having a free consultation by Mars by GHC, and then the doctor, based on your scalp type, will be prescribing you the minoxidil product, 5% minoxidil product, and then you can go about with this wonderful product and start using them, and the favorable results will be shown to you as well. Now this was a very informative video, and I hope you like this video, okay? If you really liked it, please do drop a like, comment and share, and also subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. It's very much important. So the product link, everything is provided in the description, so make sure you're going and hitting the link, and getting your free consultation by the doctor, and then placing your order. Okay, so this was a genuine and honest review for the mask by GHC 5% minoxidil. So in the end, I want to tell one thing, that is, eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. I love you DNSians, जो भी है सही है. Until my next video comes, bye bye.